आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi friends, the given question is match the complex pieces given in column 1 with the possible isomerism given in column 2 and assign the correct code. Okay, so in column 1 there are 4 complexes given, and in column 2 the type of isomerism that exhibits. Okay, so we have to match which complex will exhibit which isomerism, and there are codes given here as an option. So we have to match and find out the answer. So let us discuss it one by one. And the first complex is cobalt NH3 4Cl2 plus. Okay, so this complex actually exhibits geometrical isomerism. So geometrical isomerism is nothing but it will have the same molecular formula but different arrangement in spatial arrangement. Okay, so it will be in two form. One is the cis form and another one is trans form. Okay, the cis form will be like cobalt because the ligands will be near. It will be near. Okay, so this is chlorine will be near, and the other ligand ammonia. There are 4 ammonia, so this ammonia and the other ammonia will be adjacent, same to the next ammonia also. Okay, so this is a form of cis. This is a cis form, and the transform is nothing but the ligands will be in opposite direction, that is called transform. So if you see this, the chlorine will be in opposite side, and the same applicable to the ammonia also. But here there are 4 ammonia, so it looks like adjacent, but it actually placed in opposite side. Okay, and we can confirm it by the position of chlorine ligand and the opposite side, so that confirms it is a transform. Okay, so cobalt tetramine dichloride compound is a geometrical isomerism. Okay, so geometrical isomerism. And the second one, cis isomer. So second one, B, cis cobalt diethylene diamine dichloro bis diethylene cobalt. Okay, so in this complex, actually this shows optical isomerism. Optical isomerism is nothing but it will have the same molecular formula, but it has non-superimposable mirror image. Okay, so let me draw the structure. It will have non-superimposable mirror image of each other, so that shows the optical isomerism. So cobalt, and here it is, okay, it is an octahedral complex, and here it is ethylene diamine complex, and here it is chlorine, and here it is ethylene diamine. Okay, so which will have a charge of plus, and it has non-superimposable mirror image that confirms, it shows optical isomerism. Okay, so here it have the ethylene diamine, and here it is chlorine, and here it is ethylene diamine. Okay, so this shows that the optical isomerism. So the second B1 have optical isomerism. Okay, and the third complex, third one, that is C. So C, cobalt pentamine nitrochlorine. Okay, so actually this complex exhibits ionization isomerism. Do you know what is meant by ionization isomerism? Ionization isomerism is nothing but it will have the same molecular formula, but it gives different ions in solution. It gives different ions in solution. When it dissolves, it gives different ions in solution, as well as if you consider the sphere, the ions can move inside and outside around the coordination sphere. Like nitro group can come outside the sphere, and chlorine can get into the coordination sphere. So in this way the ions can move inward and outward. So it can represent the isomerism, that is the ionization isomerism. So here it is ionization isomerism, and it has two ions that can interchange. Okay, it can also be like CONH3, or it can also be like CONH3 Cl2NN. Okay, so by dissolving them, it will give different ions in solution. Okay, so that is called as ionization isomerism. So the third one is ionization isomerism, C. And the final one, cobalt, cobalt and hexacyanochromium. Hexacyanochromium, D. So cobalt, NH3 6 and chromium cyanide 6. Okay, so this is actually it exhibit coordination isomerism. Okay, so coordination isomerism is nothing but it will have the molecular formula, and there will be two or more coordination compound in which composition within coordination sphere. That is, there will be interchange of ligands between metal in the cation and in the metal in anion. Okay, so there will be interchange of ligands between metals. So like for example, it can be there will be interchange of ligands. So we can also write like this is cobalt NH3 3 plus, and it will carry charge of 3 minus. Okay, so we can the metal can interchange. Okay, so that is like chromium NH3 6, that is 6 3 plus, and it can like cobalt Cn 6 3 minus. Okay, so in this way the ligands can interchange between the metal in the cation and in the anion. Okay, so in this way it can interchange. So that is called as coordination isomerism. So both are two or more coordination composition in which composition within coordination sphere. Okay, so the final one is coordination. So the answer is A4 and A4. Okay, and then B1, and then C2, and then D3. Okay, so 4 1 2 3. The fourth one is the answer, right answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।